James here from Worldwide Boat Brokers, here in our very own Manly Marina. Now, I'm on our brand new listing, our gorgeous Princess 65. She is a timeless British design. She's got powerful engines, perfect for cruising the coast. Key reason for owning a powerboat is having that space on the bow to relax, have sundowners, feel the wind in your hair. That's exactly what this provides. Welcome aboard EazyOz. Come with me for a walkthrough tour. So the nice thing about this cockpit is you've got the aft seating, lots of room, and all your technical spaces are hidden away. So your winches and your lines, it just leaves this area purely for entertainment. So you've got a really spacious flybridge up here, plenty of space to sit 10, 12 people. So you can entertain friends up here. You've also got this gorgeous electric barbecue and wet bar. You've got the updated Raymarine electronics, and you've got the fly-by-wire system that powers those two really powerful MAN engines. So we've got this really lovely flowing saloon. The heart of this vessel, it's such a lovely big flowing space, perfect for entertaining, perfect for family. Got a really solidly made galley down here with the stone worktop. She's fully equipped, everything you need for full liveaboard, it's all here. So this helm here absolutely oozes style. Tortoiseshell finish, the classic Princess sweeping windscreen. It really feels like you're at the helm of a classic British sports car. So midship, you have this beautifully sized master cabin. You've got the king size bed, lovely cushion windows. It's low, it's cool, it's just the perfect master cabin. And she's en-suited with a beautifully appointed bathroom. You have your forward V berth, beautifully appointed with the soft cushion feel. Queen size bed, perfect for your VIP guests. It just really makes it feel like that luxury hotel on water. Amazing little twin room here. Lovely finish, classically Princess, perfect room for your guests. And every cabin on this boat is en-suited. We've got the crew cabin. It's just a 2-bunk room with your washer dryer all involved. So if you're looking for a luxury motor yacht at a fraction of the new build price, then she's spacious, she's powerful, EazyOz has it all. EazyOz is open for inspection right now. If you prefer, I can do video walkthroughs. Either way, get in touch.